Hey, it's me, I'm JC, JC. It's what to call me, and it is hair porn. Now, this is going to be also not only a hair porno, but it's also an unboxing or what I bought. And that means I'm going to show you something I just bought and I have not tried yet. And that is this. This is the Shea Moisture. Yes, this is the Shea Moisture Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair line. Repair and rescue line. So what does that mean? This is a new thing. I've seen this product actually like about a year ago, but I just saw it in the stores. And I was trying to I want to try something different. It does not mean what I have. I'm going to show you my staple one more time for winter care. That means sometimes you switch it up a little bit for the winter care too. I'm not trying to get everything in the world. I'm right now at that moment where I want something different. And using something like this from Shea Moisture. One more time. And this is Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair. Now this is the shampoo, and I'm going to talk about the ingredients first, then I'm going to smell. So this is actually like a first try, I'm trying it and everything first. So I'm going to go for the first product, and there's 3 products total that I have that I'm going to be trying soon. Alright, first it is Sacha Inchi Oil. That means it's rich in nourishing omega 3, 6, 9, and it has antioxidants, vitamin A and E that helps revive damaged hair. So for anyone out there, real quickly, I'm going to say this right here. It says on the description also, it's the deep cleanse, nourishing, deep distressed hair. Now, this is to all my naturals out there. I feel like this line is mostly for people that use heat, because they said stressed, and it means more distressed hair, damaged distressed hair. I'm not going to say this is like something that may help you damage if you have damaged hair. I don't think that. I've never tried it, so I'm not going to think that way. I'm thinking most of this is like, okay, well, this will help. Say you want a protective style, or say if you wanted to like heat your hair up for the winter. Because a lot of people get silk pressed, which if you heard of what silk press is, you got one already, you know what I'm talking about. When you go back curly, I kind of think this would be the product that I would think the product line, this would be it. Because it's saying to you to damage and it's the help, it's the deep cleanse and nourish. So nourishment in your curls is a big deal. It has also, ooh, this is bird. Alright. It has, the second ingredient is guana. You're like, what is that? Alright, I'm reading this. And that means this has essential amino acids, coats the hair strap to protect naturally. See what I'm saying? It's talking about a lot of protection and also keeping the hair back healthy. And last is Rose to Jericho. And that means, and it says draws in help from hold its essential moisture. So that means it's kind of like this. Your curls have moisture. Sometimes your curls don't hold. Sometimes you have like your hair becomes dry because of whatever you do, where like say you do too much of this style, protective styling. Sometimes you may have your hair dry out. You can actually have that type of hair where you just like an hour or two later, you're like, ooh, that type of thing. And if that's the case, this product line says that it's going to help add the moisture back, help protect your hair strap naturally, and also has vitamin A to revive damaged hair. So if your hair feels a little, this should help that out. Now let's go with the key ingredients first. Water, bentonite, fragrance. It's essential oil. It has vegetable oil. It has glycerin oil. And then it has the Sacha Inchi seed oil. Then it has shea butter, of course. And then it has the Aquila seed extract. Then it has, so all the key ingredients are the very first ingredients on here. It also has tea tree oil. And it has also, it says a leaf extract, and it has a lot of ingredients. Broccoli seed oil, ooh, aloe vera juice, okay, cocoa butter, and that's pretty much mainly, that's the things you can just I can just identify. This is the first one out of the 3. Now, when you first get it, this is how you also see I have used it. We're gonna go for the smell. We can't go for the feel because this is just a smells good. Shea Moisture always says that with the smell. And from this too, this is the shampoo. One more time. And then it is this, the conditioner. This is also the Sacha Inchi oil from Shea Moisture, Omega 369 rescue and repair conditioner with Ocola and Rose of Jericho. We just described those 3 ingredients. These are the 3 key ingredients that's in most of the product line, which is also a good thing. If this is the key ingredients, I think we'll go a long way. Now, I'm not going to really read the instructions because I can explain it when I do a watch the video. And let's see what the key ingredients for this. See if there's any difference. I feel like this has probably more nutrients in it because it's the conditioner. And this is what it looks like. As you know, conditioners are more creamier. And we go with the smell too. As you see, it has a nozzle. And last but not least, we're going to go with the last item, which is this. Boom. This is also from the same line. I'll tell you, I'm trying my best to tell y'all this. When it comes to trying a new product, it's best to sometimes get 2 to 3 items only when it comes to buying something new. So that means for me personally, to you, if you're wanting to try one product, like say if you want to try a styler is not so much connected to like the whole line. But be reminded of this. If you try the whole line, don't go for like the entire line. You're going to pay for like 30 upwards of 60. If a full line sometimes costs upwards of 120, 208, more than that, 120 and plus. So before I even talk about this last one of the 3, when it comes to stylers, they are not all the same. I'm going to tell you that first and foremost. And also, if you want to try a new product line, try your best to always get the shampoo and conditioner. If you want to do that like co-washes, go for a co-wash because it can tell you more about a conditioner than a shampoo. Because co-washes are mostly conditioning than anything like that. So when you're trying something new, I'm going to say this one more time. Try the product line out always, because at the end of the day, you gotta try when you're trying something new, like this is, to me, I saw it before and I was like, I gotta try. But when you're trying something new, make sure you look at the key ingredients to see what it is. Like this has sulfate free and it's color safe. That's great. And then you look at the back. Shea Moisture is really great with getting most of these is cruelty free, so that's no animal testing. It is a family owned and operated, and then it has its certified organic and natural ingredients. It is certified B Corporation, and it's part of the community. See all those things? That's a key thing to look at. Now, last but not least, I'm going to see. Now, this is what it looks like. This is a Shea Moisture. Hold on, we gotta do it the classic way. This is the Shea Moisture Omega 369. I don't know the top. It just didn't look. It just didn't read right. Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Curl Defying Smoothie. Now, what does that mean? A smoothie is different than say like a leave-in conditioner. Most of the Shea Moisture has a line that has they have a smoothie for almost every product line. The smoothie is creamy. Now, there's a big difference of a butter. I would say more of like a cream, butter, and leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are mostly a little bit watery down. Main reason why is because it is a leave-in conditioner. So it's supposed to soak all your hair up, and then it's going to coat. Whereas, say a smoothie does a lot of, this right here is going to do a lot of work. And that means this. When you're trying this out and you're like, ooh, your hair is naturally, especially when it says curl defying smoothie, you're going to see a lot of, it's what it's saying. I'm going to say what it's saying. What it's saying is this. Your curls should be very defined. And that means the ingredients in this product line, the Sacha Inchi seed oil, the cola, I cannot pronounce this. Y'all probably like, why is he saying these names? And the Rose of Jericho. All 3 of these are going to help your curls pop. And popping your curl, your curls, and people ask the question like, is there a certain type of line? all hair types can have defined curls. Unless you're 4C, your curls do show up a little bit. Only 4C, you have to have 4C all over your hair. That means when you, and that means there's products that help it. Now, what does this mean? This says it has vegetable oil, glycerin, shea butter, essential oil blend, tea tree oil, Jericho, broccoli seed oil. They have two broccoli seed oil. And it has the Sacha Inchi oil, tea tree oil. Now the secret ingredient here, I think, is the tea tree. Now this is what it looks like. I kind of looked at it already. This is how it comes off top. As you see, it's really creamy. It's really white. This is the texture. Okay, and it smells the same. I'm gonna put a little bit for little airs, because y'all know I don't like bass. Like this. And I'm gonna be trying this out. Now this was just a review. I love the texture. Let's see. It smells really good. Shea Moisture, this smells, it smells kind of like a little bit, it smells good. I can't really define what smell it is, but it's kind of like not, it's fruity, which is cool. It's great. At the same time, it has such a nice like essence to it. And that's the 3 products that I got in this unboxing. So if you like the video, thumb me up. And if you want me to, well, not want me, I'll be trying it soon. So be on the lookout for these 3 items to be featured pretty soon. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm telling you this is that this is one of pretty much a lot of videos. I'm going to be trying it pretty much and to add it to my like me doing my winter care line. So all in all, try your best to stay woke, try your best to get woke. And I'll see you with the next one.